Hi YouTube, I'm doing a video of my update on my Accord. The big plans, I'm going to be lowering the Accord. I'll be putting more performance parts on it and timing belt and water pump. I'll let you see what I'm going to go and start it. Here you go. I'm gonna let you see it. There I go, sitting right beside my Ranger. Big update coming soon for that thing too. Plus I'm looking for a storage or a shop in Canada. I live a few miles away from Toronto, or kilometers. Guy hit and ran from me, but can't wait to get this thing going and back on the road, and new tires and rims for it. I'm gonna keep those ones for my next build, maybe. Plus I'm trying to look for a manifold for it. That's how many kilometers I put on this year. I put almost 1,000, or I put 1,350 on it, and I'm happy that I have this car. Here's a little bit of a rev. There you go. It's my pride and joy, my baby. If you want like a truck vlog or a car vlog, let me know in the comments down below, because I am wanting to start building that car, doing videos and stuff. If I could find a shop for that, to do all that with a friend. Oops, just dropped my keys on the floor. Sorry, I just dropped my keys on the ground. But there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed. Sorry the video's very weird because of I'm on my phone. Hopefully you enjoy. Please comment down below and subscribe. And if you want more updates on the truck and the car, please comment down below. and share the video of any of my videos. Please comment down below and subscribe. Have an awesome rest of the day.